Here we will write a Python program to accept dictionary elements and print addition of all elements. So first in comment line we will write. First we will define empty dictionary as d equal to dict. Then we will accept number of elements to store in the dictionary. So n equal to int. Input. Enter total element to accept. And we will use for loop. So for I in range n. We will accept the value from the user to store in dictionary. So value equal to int input enter value, and we'll store this value to dictionary with key. So d of I equal to value, where I is the key and value is the element. Since we are going to add these elements, we will define one integer variable result which is initialized with 0, and we will read the dictionary as for key in d. We will add the dictionary value to result. So result equal to result plus d of key, and we will print the result as print addition of dictionary elements. We will print the result and we execute. I will give total element as 5 and I will enter the values. It will print addition of dictionary element as 15. That is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 15.